Hello and welcome to our maths class. In our maths class we will do subtraction of time. हमने लास्ट वीडियो में अंडरस्टैंड किया था एडिशन और आज हम करेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन. एंड वी ऑल नो सब्ट्रैक्शन में माइनस करने में वी हैव टू राइट द बिगर अमाउंट ऑन द टॉप और स्मॉलर अमाउंट उसके नीचे सो दैट वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. तो इसी तरह से क्वेश्चन है हमारा. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 16 hours 35 minutes from 25 hours 47 minutes. And 16 hours is the small amount and 25 hours is the bigger time. तो हम पहले 25 hours को लिखेंगे so that we can subtract 16 hours 35 minutes from it. इसीलिए फ्रॉम के बाद वाला जो नंबर होता है वो बिग होता है और उससे पहले वाला स्मॉल होता है. So let's start this solution. So first what we have to write the heading because यहाँ पर हमने hours और minutes को subtract करना है. तो first we will write hours and then we will write minutes. Now the bigger is 25 hours 47 minutes. Just leave two lines and then write 25 hours 47 minutes. Now from this number we have to put the sign of minus 16 hours 35 minutes. So let's do the subtraction. We can easily subtract 5 from 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Similarly 4 minus 3 is 1. But here in hours 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we borrow from 2 and it will remain 1 here and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 6 will be 9 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So our answer will be, हमारा आंसर होगा 9 hours 12 minutes. This is our answer. Now come to the next question. 12 hours 15 minutes from 18 hours. अब हमने यहाँ पे करना है. So in this 12 hours is a small number and 18 hours is the bigger one. So again just write down solution. And first what we have to write down? We have to write down the heading. We have to write hours and then minutes. So leave two lines and then we will write 18 hours and there is no minutes so it means 0 0 here. Then put the sign of minus. We have to subtract 12 hours 15 minutes. Now is it possible to deduct 0 minutes में से 15 minutes? It's not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from hours. So we have to borrow from here. So we know very well that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So अगर मैं इस hours में से 1 माइनस करती हूँ तो here it will be 17. और यहाँ पर हमारा क्या ऐड हो जाएगा? We will 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So इस 0 0 में हम 60 minutes और ऐड कर देंगे and it will be 16. तो ये 0 0 का हमारा कितना हो गया? 60. Now it's easy to subtract because now bigger amount is on the top. तो bigger amount top में है तो now this 60 से हम 15 easily minus कर सकते हैं. तो we will write again 0 में से 5 minus नहीं होगा तो this 0 will become 10 and this 6 will become 5. So 10 minus 5 will be 5 and 5 minus 1 will be 4 and this here 7 minus 2 will be 5. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So our answer, what will be our answer? अब हमारा आंसर इजीली हमें मिल जाएगा. Our answer is 5 hours 45 minutes. इसमें जो हमें याद रखना था वो हमें क्या याद रखना है? हमें याद रखना है कि when we have to borrow, जब हमें borrow करना है तो हमने 10 नहीं borrow करना. We have to borrow like this. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So we will deduct 1 from the hours and we will add 60 in the minutes. Whatever number is there, we will add 60 in that number. Let's understand this with one more example. Now, our question says we have to subtract 9 hours 40 minutes 45 seconds from 12 hours 25 minutes 35 seconds. This 12 hours is the bigger and 9 hours is the smaller. So first we will write the heading hours, minutes and then seconds. Leave 2 lines and then write the bigger one. 12 hours 25 minutes 35 seconds. हमने क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इसमें से? 9 hours 40 minutes 45 seconds. Now write down the formula that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. This we have to remember. Now come to here. Tell me one thing. Is it possible to subtract 45 from 35? 35 is small and 45 is big, so it's not possible. So what we have to borrow. हमने borrow जब करना है तो we have to borrow it from minutes. अब second से हम minutes में आ रहे हैं. Minute means 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So it means we have to deduct 1 minute from this 25. So what will remain? क्या बच जाएगा? 24 यहाँ बच जाएगा. And ये 35 का क्या रह जाएगा? 35 में हम लोग क्या ऐड करेंगे? 1 minute which is equals to 60 seconds. तो यहाँ पर हमारा कितना रह जाएगा? It will be 95 here. Now it will be easy to subtract क्योंकि 95 seconds में से we can subtract 45 seconds. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 50. So the answer is 50 seconds here. Now come to minutes. Is it possible to subtract 40 from 24 minutes? No. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 hour from the hours. So what will be left here? 12 में से कितना रह जाएगा? 11 hours. And when we are adding 1 hour in minutes, it will be what it will be? It will be 24 plus how many minutes? 60 minutes. तो यहाँ पे हमारा कितना आ जाएगा? 24 plus 60, that is 84 minutes. So now we are subtracting 40 from 84 minutes. Now it is possible, right? So 4 minus 0 will be 4. 8 minus 4 will be 4. And now here 11 minus 9 will be 2. So now we got the answer. That is, now the answer is 2 hours 44 minutes 50 seconds. I hope अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा how to do subtraction in time. So what you have to remember, हमने हमेशा जब borrow करना है तो 10 से नहीं borrow करना. When we are doing this in hours and seconds, we have to see this. आप hours से borrow कर रहे हो minutes में, तो we have to remember that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 1 will be deducted from hours and 60 minutes will be added in the minutes. Similarly, if we are borrowing from minutes, तो 1 minute will be 60 seconds. So 1 minute यहाँ से minus होगा and 60 will be added here. So this way you have to do it. So revise your exercise properly, do proper practice and enjoy till the next video. Take care.